Hi guys, welcome to DIY Solutions UK. Today I got a Vauxhall key and I have this key for Insignia, but this key comes with various models of Vauxhall or Opel in Europe, and I'm gonna put the names in description. You can see which model they have the similar key, and so I'm just going to open it. So you have to hold this key like this with this the car logo here. Just hold like this and put your finger behind this place. Just apply a wee bit pressure. It's gonna open. So I'm gonna keep it there. Just pull it downward and you see it came out. It's a coin battery CR2032 3 volt. And guys, what you have to do, you have to keep the key like this. This is a holder here, so you have to put this one here first and just press it down and push upwards. There you go, that's done. And I'm just going to close it. There you go, and that's done. And see guys, if you think my videos are helpful, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, like and share. Thanks.